S equal to P raised to 3 Q raised to 4 and B is equal to P square Q raised to 3, where P and Q are prime numbers. If HCF of A comma B is P raised to M Q raised to N, LCM of A comma B is P raised to R Q raised to S. Find the value of M plus N into R plus S. How to find? Very easy. What is HCF? HCF is this one. What is HCF? P raised to M Q raised to M. How to find HCF? HCF means common factor and making highest. That is highest common factor. A is here, B is here. What is common here? P is here, P is here. Here P 3 times, that means P into P into P. Here P into P only. So 2 times only it is common. So we can write P square is common. And Q is here, Q raised to 3 is here. Here 3 times, here 4 times only. So 3 times it is common, so Q raised to 3. This is the HCF. Here P raised to M, here P square. So the value of M is equal to 2. And the value of N is equal to 3. Now you can easily find how to find LCM. LCM means a common multiple, least common multiple. How to make common multiple? All the factors we can multiply one time. So here LCM is given that P raised to R and Q raised to S. Here P comes 3 times, here P comes 2 times. So for common multiple we should take P raised to 3. That means all factors should be selected for making LCM. Understood? Common multiples are coming means one time only we have to make. So P square is the common that is taken one time, and extra one more P is there that is taken here. So P raised to 3. Now Q raised to 4, Q raised to 3. So Q raised to 4 should be taken. Now P raised to R. Here P raised to 3. So the value of R is equal to 3. And the value of S. What is the value of S? 4. Our question is that M plus N into R plus S. M is 2, so 2 plus. N is 3, so 2 plus 3. R is 3 and S is 4, so 3 plus 4. What is 2 plus 3? 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 into 7, 35. So 35 is the right answer. Your options are given. Yes, 50, 30, 35 and 72. Option C is the right answer. In sample question paper, second question, let P be a prime number, the quadratic equation having its roots as factors of P. Then, which is the quadratic equation? There are 4 quadratic equations are given. First one, option A, which is that x square minus px plus p is equal to 0. And option B, x square minus of p plus 1 into x plus p is equal to 0. And option C, x square plus p plus 1 into x plus p is equal to 0. And option D, x square minus px plus p plus 1 is equal to 0. When we read the question, we have to read the sentence very carefully and convert the sentence into mathematical equation or by using the symbols. There is a word, P is a prime number. Prime number means which has the factors only 1 and itself. 7 is a prime number. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7 only. 3 is a prime number. What are the factors? 1 and 3 only. So P is a prime number. So it has the factors 1 and P only. Yes. Now it is given the roots of one of this quadratic equation are the factors of P. Are the factors of P means either the root will be 1 or P. Both will be there. Alpha, not only alpha, beta. Alpha is 1, then beta is P. Beta is 1, then alpha is 1. No problem. Now we studied one relation, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Studied or not? Yes. Here alpha we considered as 1 and beta is p. So 1 plus p is equal to minus b by a. Or we can write p plus 1 is equal to minus b by a. A means what is this a and b? It is the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Coefficient of x square is a. In these all quadratic equation, what is the coefficient of x square? 1. So in the place of this a, we can give 1. So minus b is equal to p plus 1. So this minus comes to this side, we can multiply on both sides by using minus. So b will be equal to minus of p plus 1. What is b? The second term. A we got 1, so 1x square, and b we got minus of p plus 1 into x plus c. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha is 1, here it is alpha 1, and beta is p is equal to c by a. A means the coefficient of x square, which is 1. So here it will be 1. So 1 into p is equal to c. That means c is equal to p. That last c will be p. So this is the quadratic equation, which is the quadratic equation 1x square minus p plus 1. 1x square minus p plus 1x plus p. So option B is the right answer. Sometime you will have small doubts regarding this question. Please take back and watch it again. It will be clear for you, I am sure. I am not going to repeat because this is the video, so you can watch it again. Now we can go to next question. Now in this third question, you can check the sample question paper. Third question, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3p and alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, then what is the value of p? There is a quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation given. And also given that alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. We need to find the value of this p. One p is given in the question in quadratic equation. Very easy. We studied just before alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So instead of this alpha plus beta, we can write minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. From where we got? From the chapter quadratic polynomials. Yes. So this a and this a cancelled. We get minus b is equal to c. What is this b and c? It is taken from the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this equation, x square nearest to b is there. So the value of a is b. Value of b, what is the value of b? Minus 2, not 2, minus 2. So instead of this minus b, first we can give the symbol minus. Then the value of b is minus 2. So again minus symbol should be used. Is equal to c. What is c? 3p. So we got minus of minus means it will be plus. Plus 2 is equal to 3p. We can bring this 3 to down, so it will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to p. So what is the value of p? P is equal to 2 by 3. So option B is the right answer. Next question it is that if the system of equations 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1 is inconsistent. The word inconsistent is very important, just note it. Then find the value of k. One k is there, we need to find the value of k. We studied some relation regarding this word inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. Inconsistent means there is no solution. So we studied the thing a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. What are these a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2? a1, b1, c1 are the coefficients of first equation. This we can write in standard form. So 3x plus y, this one bring to left side, it will be minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, this 2k plus 1 bring to left side, it will be minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x, this is a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0. So a1 means which is the coefficient of x. So a1 is equal to 3. a1 is equal to 3. a1 is equal to 3. Note it. What will be b1? The coefficient of y. There is no number, means it is 1y. So b1 is equal to a1 we got 3, b1 we got 1. And c1 is there, which is minus 1. c1 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, a2, b2, c2. a2, b2, c2. What is a2? Second equation. Nearest to x. What is the coefficient here? One expression is there. 2k minus 1. What is that? 2k minus 1. b2. b2 is the coefficient of y. k minus 1. And c2 minus 2k plus 1. Minus 2k plus 1. Sorry, minus of 2k plus 1. This all together we bring to left side. So it will be minus of 2k plus 1. So a1 by a2. a1 is 3 by a2. What is a2? 2k minus 1 is equal to b1. What is b1? 1. b2 k minus 1. Just to transpose this term to here. So it will be 3 into k minus 1. This 2k minus 1 is dividing here. If it goes to the 1 into 2k minus 1. 3 into k? 3k. 3 into 1? 3. The minus symbol is there. So minus 3. 1 into 2k minus 1? 2k minus 1. Yeah. This 3k we can keep here. And this 2k we can bring to left side. It will be minus 2k. This minus 3 goes to there. It will be minus 1 plus 3. What is 3 minus 1? 2. 3k minus 2k is equal to 1k. So k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 is the right answer. Option D is there. Okay. Next question. If the vertices of a parallelogram P 3, 4, Q minus 2, 3 are minus 3, minus 2, then we need to find the fourth vertex. It is very easy. I will give you a small tips. In the case of third vertex of a parallelogram, whenever the question is a parallelogram, you can find the fourth vertex by using the idea. Here we are required to find x value and y value. First we can discuss about x value. This x value is getting from other all x values. Here one x value is there, here one x value, here one x value. Just to take these opposite numbers, 3 and minus 3, 3 and minus 3. The last vertex minus 2 is there. Add the first two x values, this 3 and minus 3 can be added. Then minus this 2. So we will get the answer 3 plus minus 3 is 0. Minus of minus will be plus. So plus 2 is equal to 2. So this x value is 2. Hey, what is the idea we used? Very easy. Just add this 3 and minus 3. 3 and minus 3, 0. Then minus of, here already one negative symbol is there. So subtracting that minus of minus 2 means it will be plus. So the answer is minus of minus 2 plus 2. So the x value here it is 2. Now y value you can find. Say here is 4, here is minus 2. Y value 4 and minus 2. This should be added 4 and minus 2. Then subtract this y value 3. 4 plus minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So here the y value is minus 1. So the right answer is 2, minus 1. X value is 2 and y value is minus 1. This is the fourth vertex. Are you okay? Yes. Option C, 2, minus 1 is the right answer. Next question, question number 6. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, those triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If AM and PN are altitudes of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, it is given that AB square is to PQ square is equal to 4 is to 9. Find the ratio of AM is to PN. What is AM and PN? Altitudes. You read the question very carefully. If a question includes any picture, we have to draw the picture. Here triangle ABC is there and another triangle PQR also there. Those triangles are similar. And what are the AM and PM? AM and PN are the altitudes. Altitudes means making 90 degrees. So here it will be AM. Here it is PN making 90 degree. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We need to find AM is to PN. AM is to PN means we need to find the value of AM by PN. This is a ratio form. This is a rational form. So AM by PN. ratio which comes in a triangle by using similarity criteria. We can prove that this AM and PN including triangles. Can you see AM including one triangle is the ABM? In triangle ABM, this small triangle ABM. Here one small triangle is the triangle PQN. Can you prove these two triangles are similar by using AA similarity rule? Yes, it is possible. This angle B is equal to angle Q. Why angle B is equal to angle Q? Because already biggest triangles part. And this M is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So angle M and angle N are equal, which are 90 degree. So by AA similarity rule, these two triangles are similar. Which are the triangles are similar? ABM similar to triangle PQN. Smallest two triangles also similar. If these two triangles are similar, we can write their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in proportion. AB by PQ is equal to this AM by PN. AM by PN. One more ratio is there, BM by QN, which is not required because we require AM by PN. This we need to find. AB by PQ is given here. What is AB by PQ? Actually, AB square is to PQ square is given. In rational form, it will be AB square by PQ square is equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Here square, here square. So commonly we can write AB by PQ is having square. 4 means 2 square and 9 means 3 square. So both having square means we can write 2 by 3 whole square. This square and this square cancel. We will get AB by PQ is equal to 2 by 3. So instead of this AB by PQ, we can write 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 is equal to AM by PN. That is our question. So AM is to PN. This is in rational form. When we change it to ratio form, it will be 2 is to 3, which is the correct answer. Once again, I remind you, if you feel any difficulty, please watch it again. It will be so clear for you. Okay. So we were discussing the sample question paper. First 6 questions we completed from the sample question paper section A, which are the multiple choice questions. So the remaining questions I will explain in the next part.